Hello listeners, this is your Rajya Chandrika and I welcome you all to Anubhav project implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Government of India has initiated elder toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, inquiries and support to elderly. Now Mr. K.L. Rao going to talk about a Japanese floral art. It's over to you, sir.
Hello, you are listening to Lakshman Rao Kantam City. Today, I would like to tell something about Japanese flower arrangement known as Ikebana. I-K-E-B-A-N-A, Ikebana. So, this particular piece of information I have picked up from Indian Express, dated 15th September 2024, magazine section. For the information of radio audience. Finding peace in petals. The traditional Japanese art of flower arranging, ikebana, is more than just placing flowers in a vase. It is a disciplined art form that emphasizes harmony, balance and simplicity. Rooted in Buddhist rituals from the 7th century, Ikebana reflects the appreciation for nature's beauty and impermanence of life. The practice involves careful consideration of the composition's lines, space, and natural elements, aiming to create a harmonious relationship between the flowers, the container, and the surrounding environment. In modern times, Ikebana offers profound benefits as a mindfulness practice. It encourages people to slow down and engage deeply with the natural world, promoting relaxation and focus. As people lead increasingly busy and stressful lives, Ikebana provides an opportunity to disconnect from daily pressures and reconnect with nature, offering a meditative escape. Practicing Ikebana helps cultivate patience, precision, and an eye for beauty in simplicity. It teaches the value of letting go as flowers wither and change, symbolizing life's transient nature. Whether for personal enjoyment or artistic expression, Ikebana's mindful approach brings calm, creativity, and a sense of fulfillment. This is what I found in Indian Express, a piece of article. I just thought of sharing with the radio audience. Thank you very much. Lakshman Rao Kantam Setti signing off.
Listeners, I hope you too liked it. Stay tuned to Ravani for such nice programs. Government of India has initiated elder toll-free number 14567. Elders or any one behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, enquiries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.